take something like a bare bone truck and make it what we do is just insane. When the truck comes in, we all have our own like little assignments that we all know that that's like the go-to thing of what they like to do. So I'll go and do cutting out the hole for the slide out and framing it all in, and then maybe somebody else will go out and start cutting all the holes for the boxes, and then somebody's doing the hitches and the bumpers and stuff like that. So everybody's all going together on the truck. Right now, currently I'm installing the slide outs. We had to make the framing for it and then put our rails in and then connect all the hydraulic lines and stuff like that. That's what's cool about it is like one day I'll be doing blueprints off the board, and then the next day I'll be doing slide outs. The next day I'll be building boxes and just a whole bunch of other stuff. Yeah, every day is different. I think the brake press is my favorite. What you can bend up and make is just pretty cool. I was going to be a pipe welder, so I was going to school for that. I actually enjoyed the fab side of it instead of more of the pipe side. So this place is a perfect example for a fab shop. Just from basic steps of bending something up to actually welding up at your table and making something really, really cool. That's probably the most enjoyable part of the whole thing, is just seeing the end result of what you just built out of just flat metal.